Hey everyone, this is Kevin from Sticks and Stones. I'm standing here outside the shop getting ready for springtime, hopefully. I've got a couple carvings I got outside looking to see what we got. There's a big giant face over there on a log. Another little guy there too. Some basic chainsaw carvings. I have a couple of eagles made to start the season off. A couple little folk arty style bears. I'm gonna get ready for summer. Hopefully it'll warm up. I've got a little stump bear sitting over there. And up on the, I think we have a couple other birds. An owl. Another eagle. He's painted. An owl, another different type of eagle. Kind of hard to hold the camera still. But outside the shop here, it's pretty windy. Big parking lot. And up there's the road. Got two big bears up there. But you can't see them from here. The log pile has been covered in snow all winter. Hopefully everything will be dry now. And can get the chainsaw carving, some big stuff. A little sawdust pile here. But this is the shop. The garage. And it's should be okay. Got some firewood cut for next year. And let's see what I got inside here. Salmon on the wall. And some t-shirts. Some pine knots hanging up.
Talking to somebody, or you?
I'm making a video. My partner Dan. Say hi, Dan. Got some cottonwood barks here on the counter. Business card's ready to go. I'm going to take a walk back in the shop here. I'm just looking at some of this stuff that we're getting ready. The garage is trashed. That's a falcon or a hawk. And we got some more bears. What a mess. Hopefully the weather will freaking break. We'll be able to take this stuff outside. But I've got a mountain man over there with a bear head started. And a couple more eagles over in the corner too. And a bear right there. That's about it. I'm just showing you around inside the garage. And some owls over there in the corner. So, starting to build up some stuff. Hopefully when the weather breaks, I'll make some videos of going to the flea market with some of this stuff. Plus, hopefully we'll get some customers here in the new building. And we'll see what happens. We'll keep you guys updated. I'll see you soon with some carving videos.